Let's take a quick look under here. And if you look here at the drain valve, I guess they had to bend it like this so it would fit next to this bracket, which is kind of weird. So I guess it's not in the ideal location. I'm surprised they did that instead of using a different plug or something, but this remnant of coolant that you see here is from when I was bleeding the system, so some of it kind of just trickled down, but anyway, so what I'm gonna do instead of messing with this, I believe, is I am going to go under here, and I need the creeper under here. Not a lot of room. I'm gonna see about just disconnecting the hose from here and using a bucket to get the all the coolant out. So that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, the problem is, I guess there's still gonna be some of the coolant trapped here under the in the bottom tank. So I may still have to try to open this Petcock. So much fun. So there's the new plug for the radiator. Found this one at Ace. It's a 1/4 inch MPT thread plug, and that's gonna be perfect for this. No need to have that Petcock there. I can just undo this and drain the coolant. Getting ready to do the radiator flush. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this radiator flushing cleaner. I'm using the same funnel for burping the system. Should be just fine. And next I'm going to add some water. This is just regular tap water. Before I keep adding water, I'm gonna start up the car. Oh, and I also have to make sure that I have to plug the new temperature sender. Temperature, and when it gets there, it's supposed to let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll see how that goes.